Hi, Sakshi. This is Manish.
So Satyanarayan is joined from, I believe, Rajasthan, right? Sachin, I think he's from IDKS also.
Yes.
And
Which part of
Yeah.
Rajasthan, Satyanarayan?
Yeah, I am from Rajasthan.
कहाँ से हो? राजस्थान में कहाँ से?
Jalawad.
झालावाड़ से हो। मैं जयपुर से हूँ।
Priyanka from Maharashtra. Priyanka, I'm Madhya Pradesh, where Manish belongs to.
MP.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
nice.
from MP, Indore. Yeah.
Oh, you're from Indore only. I'm also from Indore.
Yeah.
Born, brought
Yes.
up, married, practicing everything from Indore.
Oh, very nice. Good to see you. Yeah.
Divya is
So
from
I've
Kerala.
done my chartered accountancy from Indore. So I was the alumni of NADA Professional Academy.
Oh,
So I know Anil Nada, Asim Trivedi, everyone very well. Like they are my friends.
nice. Basically, I have done all self-studying, so I might not be, professionally might be knowing, but as a student, I didn't know much of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Hi, Rakesh.
Hello.
How are you, Rakesh?
Good. What about you?
All good, Rakesh. All good. Good to see you. So we have interacted. So Rakesh is from Udaipur. Yeah.
Rakesh joined from Rajasthan. I think
Yeah.
Sachin's
Yes,
place
yes.
probably. Welcome, Mr. Rakesh. Vaibhav this side.
Thank you.
Right?
We'll start around 11:35 because expected to join professional like you around 25 plus attendees today. And we also, as you must have seen on the email, that we are having a similar call tomorrow also. This has been splitted because of the time availability of individuals. Being a Saturday and Sunday is a
Correct.
little bit non-busy day. At the same time, Saturday morning we can spend together, but evening probably we prefer with our family. Same with the Sunday morning also. So that's why tomorrow call is placed for 4:30. Similar discussion will happen. However, we'll have now this continuous call today once we discuss, and we'll also communicate. Yeah, hi Atul. Atul is joining from Maharashtra, I believe.
Atul, this is Manish.
Yes, sir. Hi.
Sachin.
Yes, sir. Hi.
Atul, you are from which part of Maharashtra?
Pune.
Oh, great. Very nice.
Call over.
Welcome, Sakshi.
Hi, I'm sorry, I was facing some network issues, so I joined, but it disconnected.
No worries.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, Sakshi. Hi, this is Manish.
Hi.
Sakshi is from which place?
I'm basically from Lucknow, but I've been working in Delhi from past
Oh,
few
wow.
years.
Welcome to the group.
Welcome.
Welcome.
You.
So I think we'll wait for 5 minutes more. We have reached to it's 11:34. We'll wait 5 minutes more because we are expecting around 25 plus participants. So and we'll start quickly within 5 minutes. Probably 11:40. Sachin, Manish.
Yeah, I think it's fine. We request everyone to keep their phones on mute. And once we start the Q&A sessions, at that point, you can unmute by raising hand, and then you can ask the questions.
Okay.
You can keep your video on so that at least we can all see you.
Vivek is there.
Yeah, hi Vivek.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hey Vivek, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you, Manish?
All good, all good.
Actually, I'm on the way, so there may be some network problem in between, but I'll try to
Okay,
continue.
sure,
Yeah.
sure, Vivek. Yeah,
You can keep just phone on mute, and
Yeah.
when the question answer sessions come, at that point you can unmute and then start asking whatever you want to ask. Vaibhav, I think we can start in next 50 minutes. 11:40 we can
Yes.
start, yeah.
Yeah. We can start, with the
And
interest
let
of
other
time.
joins in. I will keep taking them in the meeting. And if someone is missed out in terms of the presentation, then probably we can ask him to join tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. So I think Sachin,
Hi,
we
Diya.
should start now.
Yeah, we have not introduced. Yeah, hi, how are you? So you are on mute.
Sure, sir. Hi, sir.
Hi, so you are from which place, Diya?
Kerala.
Kerala. Okay, thank you. Hi, Devashish.
Hi Manish ji, hi Sachin ji, hi Vaibhav ji and others, Diya ji. Yeah, I'm from Bhubaneswar and thanks for inviting me to this meeting, and we are proud for this Alex Partners, and we can carry on.
Sure.
Yeah, I think Sachin, Manish, we can start. I think that's
Okay.
Manish,
So-
go ahead.
So good morning, guys. This is Manish Jain.
morning.
I've got around 21 years of experience. By profession, I'm a chartered accountant. Was working with corporates, till this year. Like, my last working day in corporates was March 21. And I have handled CFO, CEO role and controller roles in different corporates. So we have started this Alexa Partner. So it's a venture where we will support corporate for their various services. And our aim for creating Alexa Partner or putting this venture and talking to all of you is, from the right side, if you'll see. So our business approach is we wanted to build a good network across India so that, we can use our network for the services which corporate want. We are there from the corporate side, so we wanted to build qualities. We can share our business, like whatever business which we are getting from the corporate side, we want to create entrepreneurs, so we can share our business to all of you who are associating with us. And while creating business or using our network of build quality, we wanted to have a transparent approach between both of us or between all of us, so that we can build trust and start working together. So this is the first meeting which we are interacting. All founders of Alexa Partners are interacting with all of you. And with this, we want to create a gig economy or gig culture where you can work sitting at your place as per your time and as per your demand as well. Whatever the work you want to choose, you can take it from us and start working on it. And our last philosophy is sharing and caring, like, whatever work which we'll get, we wanted to share with you. And if you are associating with us, we will take your hands to the last of the journey. Like, we will go together in our professional life. Second slide, Sachin. Okay, so this fintech company, Alexa partner. So why Alexa word came into our mind? It's not like because there is a Amazon Alexa, but why this word came in our mind? Because this word is originated from Alexander, and Alexander is the male name, and Alexa is a female name. So whatever the inspiration came to Alexander or came from Alexander to conquer the world, we wanted to put this kind of inspiration and our strength, for our relationship and the work which we do for the corporate. So this fintech company started in 2020. We have founded informally, then formally it came in 2021, where me, Manish and Vaibhav and Sachin joined hand together and started this venture where we have put some pain points of the corporate side. Because while working in the corporate since 2021 year, we know what kind of pain points which they have. So we put all the pain points where corporate struggle for achieving their cash flow and other light processes. So we have started working on that, and we have put our processes and all the modules, where we will support to the corporate. So our founders have already, we have done our CFO controllership roles in India and international market. And all three have more than 20 years of experience. And we have got huge network in India and abroad. And whatever the work or business which we'll get from the corporate side, we will surely share with you guys. And in this process, we will also provide you learning, whatever we have learned, from the corporate since last 20-21 years. So that, with us, you can also become a good professional if you are not working with a corporate. We wanted to make this journey happen. Our network, our aim to create a business model where we can support corporate NBFCs and banks. So why NBFC and bank we have taken? Because they have also huge demand on allied services, and they want all India network, all India professional network to support them for their business, various businesses. And this is what, we are creating this independent network of business associates. And with this, you guys can enjoy continuous earning opportunities, associating with us, and which are in meaningful life in your professional career. Sachin, third slide. Yeah. So this is Manish Jain, FCA, by profession, I'm a chartered accountant, 22 years of experience, revenue and billing assurance, credit control operations. Last profile of mine was group revenue assurance set for Quest Corp. It's a 10,000 crore listed company. And before that, I have worked with Airtel. I was out of India and in Middle East. I was handling one CFO role. And I have put my instance in financial control, business planning, executive assistant to CEO, all kind of jargons, if you'll say. I have done this kind of work. Over to you, Sachin.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you very much for doing a great start. And I welcome all the prospective associates in the Alexa Partner First face-to-face meeting. So I am Sachin Gupta. By qualifications, I did my CA, and also I'm a graduate from IIM Bangalore. So 22 plus years, I have worked in the corporate world, including India and abroad. And my last stint was in a Singapore company for 5 years, where I was managing Southeast Asia with many countries to manage on the internal audit and project management. And I also worked with the same company for their India operations with CFO. So I've also managed companies like Blue Dart and Toll and Agrotech, LG, and many other companies to list with. But my predominant experience is to work on the front and as the controller position, where we manage the collections and accounting, taxation, compliances, managing multiple functional relationships, and helping the growth of the organizations where we are considered as the backbone of the company. So that's how my journey started. And then during the journey only, I left my corporate tradition career in 2017 and started my own company. And for last 3.5 years, I started knowing Manish and Vaibhav. And then in 2020, as Manish said, we started this informal relationship and formalized that in 2021. So largely what we noted is that there are some inherent issues which a corporate goes through. One is that, whether it's small corporate or large corporate, they have a business continuity plan, but then most of the mid corporates, they don't have one, and they lack in the business continuity plan. The employees, they keep changing. so, which makes their process very ineffective. Even you laid best the process, but there has to be an employee to do the work. So we noted that those are the issues. And we also know that, employees are have to be part of the policies which has been implemented by the company. So they basically don't have out of the box approach. Even if somebody brings in that approach, their business heads or their finance controllers, I've faced this problem. My boss has never agreed on me. So that doesn't work. Not all companies have vast network and are difficult to create, because you want to go into look and corner, you can't create that network because people will demand to work with you on your jobs. It's very difficult to do it. And then what we noted is that multiple functions, multiple coordinations, the idea of channelizing all functions together to get the job done, whether it is collections or whether it is accounting or operations or any other functions, we find that there is a huge gap in that. And we also noted that companies do want all the capabilities under one roof, but it's hard to bring that, because if you start hiring multiple people, it's difficult to manage the cost. And they don't get a team of professionals. If they have to go to KPMGs or Big Fours of the world, they have to pay through nose. So they don't have that capabilities, but they still want the quality. And that's where we come in the picture. Why Alexa Partners? Alexa Partners, we come from the industry experience. We're the seasoned professionals. So we understand the corporate, we understand how to mince our relationships, how to mince our network and extract business and work from them. I worked in Southeast Asia for 5 years. So I started with my first business, which came from Australia. And that business in the first year was double of my salary. So that thrilled me that, I can actually leverage a larger network. Manish is sitting on bomb of network. He has worked in Bahrain, he has worked in India for multiple companies. Vaibhav has worked in multiple companies. So we all can pool together our contacts and network and start reaching out to those corporates wants to get a very, very cost-effective solution. Now, there's one more reason why we want Alexa Partners and why you should join Alexa Partners, because we have a defined revenue sharing model. There is no hanky-panky in that. It's a very, very clear, transparent model. You take a contract from us, sign it, will be very clearly identified. There will be technology which Vaibhav will talk about, how we can utilize the technology, track and trace exactly what work you are doing and how you're doing and what's the amount you're going to generate on a month-to-month basis. The third is that, because we come from the corporate background, we have that knowledge and idea of taking a problem with a solution. When we approach a corporate, whether it's a small or big, we always go with a problem. We say that, okay, fine, this is a problem and we have a solution like this. So they understand that, we are from corporate and we understand their nuances, their problems, and we also bring in a solution rather than only creating problems for them. We don't do that. So, and then why we want to create Alexa Partners, we want to allocate the work based on your capabilities, your limitations. You tell us this is the kind of work you're looking at, this is the locations you're looking at. We will assign that kind of work only. It's not that, we push you for, okay, no, you have to do this because you're a partner to us. No, we will give you that opportunity of deciding the work which you take it from us. What we are also saying is that, this will improve your earning capabilities in your own individual businesses. You are doing very good. We understand that, all of professionals, you may be associated to multiple clients of yours. Keep earning there. Once you join us, you will improve and enhance your capabilities of earning more, because we will share our business with you. And we will also share our knowledge of 20 years. We will grow your network, that will increase your cash. So our clear funda is we earn, you earn, and we want to share and we want to care. The whole philosophy is in sharing and caring. These are some of the business opportunities which we have identified, which corporate requires. And I think this is the most important slide for all of you guys. Core services, what we want to offer for our business associate is B2B debt collection. So we have started with B2B debt collections, and in the later slides, Vaibhav will explain what exactly we have done and how far we have reached in B2B debt collection. Then physical verification. There are companies who have approached us in the past, but we rejected those offers because we did not create our network by then. So now we are going to pick up those anytime. Accounts outsourcing is something which is where the foundation of my company started. But that's where whenever I approach people, they say you are the only one, or you have your own individual team, but you don't have a group of associates who bring in a business continuity. So now I can pitch in for those businesses which I failed in the past, because I have 3 partners here and I've got 25 or maybe 200 partners across India. So it'll be very easy for me to go and sell anything to them, which is both Indian as well as international. Then GST and tax compliances, you are well versed. Internal audit, statutory, I don't have to add anything. Manpower outsourcing is again very technical thing. And now these days with COVID-19, a lot of people who have reverse migration has happened to be tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So there are a lot of workforce available there, which can be effectively utilized for Indian and international companies. Through our mode, we will channelize those leads and businesses, and then we will distribute to you so that you can hire those people locally, either on your roles or whichever. We'll talk about the business model much in detail. Then legal and regulatory is also services which is more localized in nature. And with our B2B debt collection business, there is a lot of legal business also generating with us, so which also we will pass on to you, which you can always execute locally. Then P2P and O2C process outsourcing, these are very specific international processes where we are, 3 of us have been working in the past. So we will now start offloading those activities, and we will utilize our business associates network, where we can hire low-cost employees in their respective cities and create those call centers and BPOs where we can work on that. Okay, so we have started with credit collections, and in credit collections, we have 4 activities, which is end-to-end collections, a success fee-based 180 days plus bucket collections. Third is dedicated team, where we offer our clients to deploy people to them. And manpower is we take the work on a manpower basis, wherein they want manpower to be deployed in their office, then we will deploy their office and then basically generate the revenue from there. Okay, over to you, Vaibhav. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Hi, good morning. Warm welcome to everyone. Thanks for joining today's call. And I'll just give my experiences. So being an MBA graduate in finance and strategy, and work on the IT front over a period of 20 plus of experience, work with the top corporates in India at Tata Communications as a global revenue assurance head. Airtel was managing revenue assurance, PPL, Tata Groups. Then I was also a part of Protiviti Consulting as a director, managing the risk management portfolio, which includes your internal audit, fraud investigation, IT audit, then SOX compliance, Clause 49 and everything. And work with the large corporates for advisory and internal audit, audit projects, domestically and internationally. Was majorly working from consulting side, Southeast Asia, Middle East and Africa. I was also worked abroad with the Etisalat Telecommunication, which is one of the primary telecom service provider in Abu Dhabi, UAE. And was managing acting the role as a group management assurance and investment assurance director, where was responsible for around 28 countries, investment and management and IT assurance practices. Largely last 4 years working on the techno part. Later part of the professional life, I realized my inclination to the IT solutions, and currently was working largely with the couple of corporates and the MSMEs on our own platform, design, develop, understanding the corporate challenges and automation need, where we have a solution like audit automations and other thing, where basically whatever the solutions you have seen currently, which you have to document the audit. However, we are not adopted that route. We upload the ARP information and we generate straight exceptions. In our auditor days, we used to always write that based on our sample selection, we have removed that sample selection, and our application is giving 100% assurance on overall samples. So that's one of the added advantage couple of CA firms and corporate is availing through us. We have Sales IQ, where the incentive automations and other things, asset tracking tools and everything. Come back to Alexa. First of all, the intention here is to create a win-win situation to everyone and professional like you. And we would like to give access to revenue earning opportunity via Alexa platform. The intention of creating this digital platform, which will launch in next 3 to 4 months, we are working, and day and night the technical team is working along with me and the leadership team, where you will have access to your own work area. The work will get allocated through the platform where you will get registered. Likewise, you are registered using now Google Form. However, once it's up and running, we'll also give access to you to the platform, where all inquiry will be flowed to you through the platform, and you can always work on a platform where you will have a visibility of work allocated to you. What is the agreement of revenue sharing for that work will be done, or a fixed fee model, whatever will be a transparent, where you guys can look at and accept that terms and everything. And second thing, you will be your own boss delivering this by the platform. Needless to say, you can have a multiple hats, not only B2B collections or GST filing or accounting and other thing. So that's what Sachin and Manish try to explain you, that this is a platform for you guys, and will act as your sales force. And we want to give you access to couple of professional pan India and globally to earn this capacity and enjoy the fruits of our association together along with you guys. Now just back to the slide. Basically, currently we are working with the NBFCs and banks. We are working with the service providers, facility management, which are having the operations pan India. Infra companies are there, retail and distributions are there, and technology and manufacturing company. Time being, we started with the B2B collections. I understand, a professional like us who actually comes from the financial background, when we look at as a collection, we feel that someone has to visit somewhere, or we have to, basically do something ki boss, how I can collect another thing. Here, primarily, we are focusing on B2B collections. Why we have selected B2B collections? Because first is we are all professional. We all speak same languages. And when we interact with the all B2B customer, we understand how to speak, how to interact, and what is the challenges, the collection we face. And being the financial experts and the operation expert, we know how to interact and how to work out the midway while we are interacting with the B2B customers. Another opportunity, like in collections, what happens when we start interacting to the market? That time what happens, I'll just give you one example. Recently we are discussing with one of the large group, and we are actually following with them for the basically collection requirement, and it's a larger group actually. And when we resolve their all issues, they approach us and they told us, why don't you do our some accounting work or reconciliation work? And that gives us an opportunity where we are gone and approach via our teams, telecalling and email. They approach us for accounting reconciliation and other type of work. So the intention of the collection also help you to open the multiple solution doors. Once we prove that we are a professional, we are a collectors, so that's one way we are approach the B2B approaches. So that's recently we got that additional assignment. And a couple of corporates in pipeline, like Ultratech Cement is there, Suzlon we are working on, Kotak Bank, then Kinara Capital, which is a NBFCs and other thing. 3M is there, which is international corporate. NI is there, CBR is there, VS Tractor. So couple of these customers is actually availing our services, and we are managing them remotely. We are managing by way of means and other things. Probably in second call, we'll discuss with you how we are roll out these models and everything. That will help you also to understand, and your suggestion will be also welcome to understand, what more we can do. Second thing, basically, on the basis of these overall approaches, it will also give you expose to your local market. Well, so whenever you interact behalf of us to these customers and locally at your specific areas, that time also it will give a enhanced opportunity to conduct additional
Generate business.
businesses, generate
Yeah.
business. Now I'll move on to the another. Sachin, can we go there?
So before that, before we go here, I just wanted to interrupt and just put your thoughts, why we have collected or why we have chosen B2B collection kind of services to start with. Because see, if you would have worked, in large corporate, like I know Rakesh has worked, Vivek has worked in corporate, and Devashish also has worked in corporate, and they've started their professional journey. So when you work with large corporates, there are data relationship between one corporate to other corporate. Either they supply services or they supply goods. So once they supply services or they supply goods, there are balances between the company balances, which is not got settled, within the credit period or within the credit terms. And why it is not got settled? Because there are several issues which is keep on occurring, between internal department or sales team or credit and collection team. They don't go and get collection from the other corporate. And sometimes this collection get pushed into more than 180 days bucket or more than 360 days bucket. Once it goes into more than 180 or 360 days bucket, it is got provided by the auditors. So once it is gone in more than 180, 50% of that part which is not got collected is provided, or more than 360, 100% of the part which has got provided in the corporate books. So once this amount has got provided by the auditor in the corporate books, the mind of the operation team or the management team just move out from that part. So we are going there, we are working with them, we are working with the corporate and collecting that money which is in the provision or provided bucket in the corporate side. So after working with the corporates since last so many years, we thought, we will start working with these corporates or the corporates where they need our services, and we will collect that forgotten money from them. So once we will collect that forgotten money, it will directly add into their profit. So this is the whole concept of working on B2B collection side, because B2C there are several agencies that are there in the market. What B2B will be the number one, in Indian market. So this is all from the B2B side. And we have already working. So we are working with Experian. This is the multinational company. Their head office is in Denmark. We have worked with Terrier. We have worked with WeWork, where we have shown our result. We have collected a huge money which has gone into budgets, and they are appreciating this. Yes, Vaibhav.
Thanks, Manish. So our intentions to build up a revenue model jointly along with you guys, and there is a potentiality of around 25% of profit share based on assignment to assignment basis. And assignment is already covered by the Sachin. One is a B2B collection, asset verification, and other thing. And we are adding a couple of other services that will give an enhanced opportunity for you guys also. And the overall fees is a mix of variable and fixed fee model what we are designed, and fee sharing for each project, because we work on the each project model, each assignment model, and a few assignment will be a continuous basis, which will also give an opportunity to earn throughout the year or a recurring basis. And that's the way what we are working in that. And we also want to promote the referrals commissions also, because we all aware, unfortunately, globally has been impacted by COVID 2019, and couple of professional colleagues has lost their jobs. And globally as well as in India, people are struggling to grab the jobs, though they have experience of, and a couple of our friends who are past 40 years and having at least 15-18 years of experience, and unfortunately the corporates are asking them to leave for cost pressure or the reduction in employment. The intention is also as a social clause, as a Alexa, and we are committed to this till for our entire journey, that we want to create the entrepreneurs out of this and create this platform so that people who has been lost their jobs due to the cost reductions or probably a age bar and everything. This is a platform for them also, and it's also applicable for the professional who are having their own business, professional who are having their jobs, professional who are having actually working as on the housewife. So it's for everyone who will stick to the quality and the professional training, whatever we will be communicating on time to time. We'll have a similar calls time to time. And we assure you, we are not going to charge a single penny for registration nor any such trainings and other things. The intention of me, Sachin, and Manish is to give access to knowledge what we have learned from this corporate where we have worked and deliver the larger domestic and global projects. So that's the way the entire thing has happened. And that's our objective also, creating the Alexa partner. And that's why it's reflect your association as a partners. And that's the way the name has been also conceived based on Alexa partners, so that, partners will join, partners will individually drive this, and jointly will grow and earn. So I think that's what we have today to discuss, give you guys all overviews. And we would like to open up for Q&A sessions. I think it's open, and you can by a single, you can raise your hand. So Sachin can unmute one, so the interest of bandwidth. And whatever questions you have, freely ask. Let's have, this is the all Alexa family. This is the first call what we are having with you guys. And let's understand your questions, concerns, or what you want to know more, and any opportunities. Yes, please.
Sachin, you can switch off the presentation. Yeah, so as Vaibhav said, we will have knowledge sessions also from our side, so that, it will benefit to all professionals who are joining with us. And our senior partners, they are developing knowledge capsules as well, where we will keep coming on the subjects, and you guys can attend those sessions. It will be hardly 30-40 minute session, but it will give you tremendous knowledge in terms of corporate, in terms of work experience, or in terms of whatever we have learned, since last so many years. Yes,
Board
please.
is open for questions. You can ask any questions. Priyanka, you have anything we can answer?
Yeah,
Please go
I
ahead.
have a couple of them. Yeah.
Go
My first question is for B2B collection. Like, would you be working like Thread? You must have heard about that platform, in which there are mediators like bank, and where you do the discounting of the bills which are not realized till now, and then the banks and banks purchase those bills, and then the realization, how does it work, the thread, how does it work? So would it be like that? Because I can't understand, how will you go for those collection things?
Let me take that. Yeah, hi.
Okay.
Thanks, Priyanka. Thanks. Very, it's a good questions. See, typically, no, what you just now said, that we are not going to buy any portfolio.
Okay.
If you look at, because we all are mostly are the financial professionals, in our corporate journey or any of your client also, when we look at these failures of collection is either majorly, I can break that into the 4 to 5 buckets. First is your onboarding is weak. If you're onboarding customer who has a not good creditability and you are unaware of that, that ultimately going to result into the outstanding. That's the first thing, because it's an onboarding process. If you hire a wrong guys, or you build up a customer relation with the wrong customer, it will going to land up into bad debts, maybe after 4 months, 6 months, or after 3 years. So that one thing is there. Second thing, due to your internal process issues and operational error, like wrong invoicing, the commitment of rates are different and other thing, and you are not address that on timely manner to the customer, that also result into the defaulters. Third thing is that employees of the large corporate or mid-sized corporate, they are not properly maintaining the relation with the customer and not timely reminding them to pay the dues. So that's the third thing. Perfect. Now, fourth thing is the willful defaulters, where the corporates or MSME having funds, but they don't want to pay. Second thing, not having the funds, but willing to pay. So these are the broad 4 to 5 criteria, what we have seen so far. Now, what we are doing here is that we have another solutions also, which will also, coming session will explore and give you the details also, which will ensure that credit-worthy customer onboarding can be happen using the digital platform what we have, so that the reduction into DSO can be happen when you onboard a quality and good paying customer who don't have any default history, no any allegations, and they are the good payment history. So that's something is different. So that's the way what we cover also policy, procedures, and review and operations. Second thing, what currently we are doing, because the large corporate, normally if you have seen that every collection guys and sales guys, they want to maintain a relation with customer because that's their cash cow. Sales want to earn more from the same cash cow. He is not bothered to whether he's making payment or not. Right? So, and that time what happens, as soon as it cross 120 or 180 days of the aging bucket, he just forget it because he will say to collection ka kaam hai. In that case, what happens, this all bucket is allocated to us. We promote no collection, no fees, because we know how we can twist the processes, how we interact politely, how email basis and coordination and calling basis we collect the money, and we reach out and collect the customer responses and feedback to the client, so that if there is some adjustment needs to be done, that can be done by way of credit notes or partially write-off. Second thing, we also have some technical platform where we have a tracing and other services, where most of the thing in current situation, most of the small corporates or MSMEs are missing from the business world. So that practices we have. So that couple of solutions we have, which with the help of that, we generate this forgotten money to collect.
And also one more thing which I want to add here is our associates have their own network, because we are building a network of people who have worked in the industry. So they have either worked in FMCG or logistics or multiple kind of industries. If you take today me, Manish, and Weber, collectively we must have worked in more than 25 plus companies, and all are top corporates. Now our juniors or seniors, they've also worked in similar kind of companies, the same company where we work, plus they've also worked in multiple other companies. There are many people who are still working. So I can tell you, sitting today, I have my network in almost 10 consumer durable companies, because I had worked in LG in 2002 and 2003. So my seniors are there, and some of the seniors have moved from that to Sony, or from Sony to Samsung, or to some other company, mobile company, and this company. If I go to my LinkedIn, I come across all these people where I am chatting them on a weekly basis, or maybe once in a month, or maybe once in 6 months. So I have that network. So we will also channelize that network to collect money. So I've given an example for one of our customers. The money was stuck in Tata Power. So customer said, there's no breakthrough happening for that particular customer. Vaibhav said, I know somebody, the financial controller is a good friend of mine. I will talk to him and understand. He spoke to the customer directly sitting in Mumbai, in the Mumbai office, and they said that bill is never received. So we created the bill in Bangalore office, sent those bills to them, and in next 20 days, the money was there in the bank account of them, and we got our commission. So it's a whole gamut of activities. It's not where we discount it, we take the discounting debts and then start, this thing. We will be professionally gaining our control on the credit collection of that customer. Plus, along with this, the relationship building will also nurture into a larger business or other services which also we can sell. Because once you are there inside a corporate, it's easy for you to tell, boss, I have a network of 200 plus associates across India. Tell me any other work which comes up for you. Or I have got a legal issue in Agra. Can you help me out on that? I have some challenges in my Dharwad location. Can you help me that? Yeah, why not? Let me just talk to my Hubli guy, and Hubli and Dharwad is close by. He will settle the Dharwad case, and he will get money. I will get money, and both of us will be happy. Yeah.
Yeah. So if I'm not wrong, Alexa Partners would be the solution which you're coming up is mostly based on technology.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so we
Yes.
are working on the platform. Yes, we are working on the platform. It will be a tech platform where what we will do first is, we will put our entire credit collection kind of piece, into platform. From the day the list will come from the corporate side, the day the list will go into a platform, it will be allocated to all associate partners, and then corporate will have, online mechanism where they can see dashboards, they can see progress, they can see everything. So this platform will give a better visibility to the corporate.
Satyanarayan ji,
Yeah,
aapko koi
just-
question hai?
Yeah. And just to begin with, we started with B2B, but parallelly it will also come from asset verification, where from your individual location using smartphone, we can conduct that asset verifications are there, or assessment or meeting someone at your own location. See, intention is that tomorrow, Priyanka, if you want to conduct something in Mumbai, suppose you have some client and then you need some help. So we have all this network. So I'm sitting in Mumbai, or in Atul is in Pune. So all this will help us. Ultimately, we will become a face of value and will not let go our own customers. So that's the thing. The overall, this platform is meant for that. Yeah, Sachin, go ahead.
सत्यनारायण जी, आप बहुत शांत हैं. अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को. बताइए आपकी क्या क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए जाए.
नहीं, अभी कुछ भी क्वेश्चन नहीं है.
कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं है. साक्षी जी, आप.
Hi. So I wanted to ask, like, since I'm an advocate, and I needed to
Okay.
ask, like, how is the legal prospect? Like, I do understand the legal collection officers and the defaulting and the Section 25 and 138 and everything. So, like, what is the regulatory and legal regulatory mechanisms that you are looking here at Alexa Partners?
Okay.
Manish, you want me to answer?
Yeah, please.
Okay, sure. Thank you, Sakshi. This is a wonderful question. I think it's a very specific to legal thing. So if you understand, in the collection business, there are multiple stages, as Manish has explained. So once a very, very firm customer who has decided that he is not going to pay through a normal means, we always approach through a legal process. So most of the companies, they have their internal legal department where they start sending the legal letters. But sometimes these letters are very ineffective in nature. Ineffective as in, it goes to the customer desk, customer sees, oh, this has come from the company, they tear it off and that is the dustbin. Now, that is where Alexa Partner will come in, because we are developing a network of our associates who are into legal. So Sakshi is having her own legal entity, which is into the law business. So we'll approach
Yes.
Sakshi once she becomes Alexa Partner associate. Then we'll say,
Associate.
Sakshi, we have a customer in Delhi who is not paying money to our customer, and we have to send legal notices to him. Then Sakshi will say, okay, fine, definitely we will do it. So from your, it's not from Alexa Partner, you will issue a legal notice, because the local lawyer's weightage has to be given. So you will issue a legal notice to that customer, and then we will start tracking the progress. Customer says that he is still not going to pay. We may go for NCLT case. We may go for DRT cases. We may go out of court settlement. We may go for arbitration. All that will then start channelizing your office, but we will centrally monitor through our customer. Everything has to be customer approved, and then we will start managing the court. So that is how we are going. And in that bargain, if any other law-related or legal-related requirement comes for Delhi, we will reach out to you and we will take your service.
And Sakshi, there are some.
Yeah. But
Yes, actually, there are cases, when the bucket goes more than 180 or 360, chances of collection or chances of going legal is, very high. So we all are finance professional, and as you are the legal professionals, we will surely come to you and understand, all the legal jargons, and we'll take your support there, and then we will start working. So that is what, we are looking partners like financial partners as well as legal partners for election.
Dia, I want to talk to you. I'm in Bangalore,
Yes, sir.
very close to Kerala. So
Yes.
So Kerala is no different for me because I've worked with a company who had office in Kerala. Multiple times I visited Kerala. So what do you see opportunities for you with Alexa partners?
I like to work as an internal audit. So I have an experience in doing internal audit as I am working in an audit firm in Kerala. So I know how to do finalizing the financial statements and filing the statements.
Okay.
So I like to be work in an
Have
internal
you
audit.
completed your CA, or you are an article, or you are a half qualified?
I am just for experience. I have joined as CFO.
Okay.
Now I am working in a CFO.
Absolutely not an issue. We will, because we have a CA firms across India. We have also a CA firm in Bangalore. So we can now confidently take business in Kerala because we know that you are available. We can always pass on that work. Great.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just want to add, Sakshi is one of the questions. Like, it's not only Sakshi pertain to legal as a collections. Recently, one of our client requested us to wait 2,000 agreements from the legal compliance and commercial clauses perspective. And we completed that, being we are aware how the commercial clauses are, but these are also other than collection opportunities are in pipeline. You got my point. Second thing, legal or as well as the financial, like sometimes, credit exposure assessment wants to conduct some of your location, like Atul is there in Pune. Now, there are some vendor onboarding work we are doing where vendors supplies intact his assessment, and due to COVID, the entire the market dynamics has changed, and the business continuity is ahead of every organization because it's start from customer also and suppliers also and employees also. So in that case, if we need to conduct any assessment of some vendor sitting in Chakan MIDC area where Atul is in from Pune, and then Atul can extend that help. He can upload that credit assessment, give the local feedback. Same way at the Delhi also, there are a couple of like e-commerce service provider in touch with us. We are working on there some revenue models and other things. They want some that's why it's a bridge. We are creating a revenue earning platform. Now, how we want to use it jointly to make everyone earn well independently and earn properly.
And
without
इनमें से कुछ सर्विसेज जो है फिक्स फी मॉडल पे हैं, तो अगर हम लोग आपको 5 या 10 या 15 कोई वेंडर वेरिफिकेशन देते हैं किसी भी लोकेशन पे, तो हम आपके साथ पहले भी एक फिक्स फी मॉडल एग्री कर लेंगे कि हम आपको इतना पैसा देंगे, आप अपना काम कंप्लीट करा लो. यू कैन यूज योर टीम, योर एग्जिस्टिंग टीम,
योर नेटवर्क.
हाँ, एंड यू योरसेल्फ वांट टू डू इट, प्लीज डू इट. बिकॉज अभी आज की डेट में वो सर्विसेज किसी और को दे रही होगी कंपनी, वी डोंट नो, बट हम लोग जाके सेल करेंगे बोलते हुए कि भाई मेरे पास अतुल है पुणे में, आई हैव साक्षी इन दिल्ली, आई हैव प्रियंका इन इंदौर. दे विल गेट यू अ राइट टू डिटेल्स एंड द होल प्रोसेस वी विल एक्सप्लेन यू करना कैसे है, क्या करना है, क्यों करना है, क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन सोर्स करनी है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट आप जाइए, लेके जाके इन्फॉर्मेशन सोर्स करके लाइए, हम लोग सर्टिफाई करेंगे, कस्टमर को दे देंगे, आपका पैसा आपको मिल जाएगा.
Yes, Atul, you want to talk? You want to ask something?
Mute up. Atul, mute up.
Yes. Actually, I understood the whole concept. It's a collaborative, comprehensive service solutions. It's started with B2B, and now it's allied services like accounting, GST, whatever legal and regulatory work. Currently, I was working as a virtual CFO services since last 7 to 8 years in Pune area. Now I had started with my own practice and own private limited to give the services to MSME sector. And I'm also more interested into the internal audit system processes, how to vendor processing, vendor assessment. I'm also interested more in that, or stock audits, or physical verification. I have a more exposure in that such area. So it's a fantastic platform, and it's fabulous. You had connected with that like experienced persons, seniors are already you are. So it's a great platform. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So we can take one more question because we have to end this meeting at 12:29 exactly time. So one or two more questions.
Rakesh is there, Devashish is there, Nishit is there.
Really, it's a very good platform where like it's an Amazon is providing the goods. Same way we can provide the services, and very good platforms. All type of financial services we can provide, and I think a lot of scope for everybody is there. And already you have explained in detail. Everything is clear. A slightly question I have to just in case of a single transaction collection is pending, let's say 5 crore rupees from companies the outstanding from the one client. So are we covering single client also, or only the bucket?
No, Rakesh, we are covering single transaction as well. Like, because so transaction value is not matter for us. Matter is like B2B. So we wanted to cover B2B rather than covering B2C. So if you have given money to Rakesh Malia and he is out from India, so we are not going and talking to Rakesh, for getting that money back. But yes, if corporates are involved or if SMEs are involved, we will cover that kind of transaction. So single transaction we can take. Yeah, B2B. Yeah, we can take. Yes, we can.
The B2B, it's easy to analyze the process because it comes with the whole set of documentation things, and there are chances of contract between the two parties. So it's easy and it's manageable, and we have that expertise. So B2C, definitely it's not in the card now. We may or may not start this in next 2 years, but right now it is pure B2B and other allied services.
Yes. Devashish?
Hi all. Actually, I'm chartered accountant in practice, and earlier I have experience in industry and CA practice also. As far as my understanding in this model, it's very much lucrative for all of us. And as a associate partner, thanks to Manish ji, Sachin ji, and Vaibhav ji. So being associate partner, I feel we have very great opportunity and have a platform to work in this model. And as we know, this is the concept now in COVID, during COVID time, cash is king. And the corporate is facing so much difficulties to recover their old debts. So we can recover their debts, and their cash flow will be grow, and we'll get our fees. So no doubt it's a very great model to all of us, and all participants and all associate partners, everybody will get good earning on this. So thanks to all, and I'm happy to have being the part of it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks. Nishit is there, who is not spoken till now. Nishit sir.
Yes. Hello. Am I audible?
Hey, hi Nishit. Yeah.
Hi, Nishit. Hi. Good morning to all of you. And I had gone through the kind of services what we are offering. It's a good platform for connecting the professionals on a single network. And I believe that it makes sense when people, professional people joins together and work together and deliver together. And then obviously it will make things better. Yes. I had seen the kind of services what we are going to offer. I found that as the government target is to targeting the MSME sector. We can cover a MSME subsidy part, which is like converting the industrial practice to traditional practice. So like project financing, giving the subsidy, even the registration in the different ministries. it is very difficult for MSMEs to get registrations, to get the certification. So because I am from Ahmedabad, and we have a state policy recently announced in last year, August 2020, and there are a lot of changes they made it. So like giving the rent assistance to MSMEs, giving the ERP subsidy to MSMEs. So that kind of stuff we can add in our services. So obviously, if we get a good amount of money in terms of subsidy, obviously the client will be going not going to leave us it will be forever. So it is one area we can cover it up. Even I found that the system, because all big corporates have their own systems, either SAP or like Microsoft or something like that. But there's no small players like having a turnover top line of 100 CR or less than that. They don't have proper systems or SOPs. Even they are keeping the stock in a different system or either maintaining in Excel. So we can work on that part, and we can give if we have a good tech people. So at least we can offer a single system for converting all the things in one shot.
Okay.
So that is going to add a lot of values to the client.
Absolutely.
That is one of the area
Very
for
nice,
that.
sir.
Absolutely.
Sachin, you want to say something here?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think I appreciate Nishit that you have brought up these things. SME is definitely a big sector, and we have been in fact targeting SME a lot. In fact, I am part of a couple of industry associations in Bangalore and in South India, and we see huge problems. The only challenge with SME sector is they're not very high paying. SME, they struggle for cash. So we have to mentor and develop those people to understand the value of professionalism, and then slowly get into their roots to change that and convert them into a meaningful business. I do have close to 10 such clients where we provide all these services, and it's increasing. And we know that SME wants to convert them, and that is where I think Alexa Partner will also pitch in over a period of time. We do have network of people who provide fundings and investor relations, and whether it's a VC funding. So our Indian international network of 25 plus countries, people, they are keenly looking at investing in India with fallout of China post-COVID. So I can only guarantee you with my experience that next 5 years is going to be amazing for all of us. Amazing for all of us, whether we are sitting in Gujarat or whether we are sitting in Indore or anywhere, any part of this country, because tier 2 and tier 3 cities will see a huge jump.
Yeah.
And we are working towards creating that consolidated efforts of making this a very large success. This I'm telling you with my 3 years of experience. When I left this corporate world, people, they said, why you're doing this? Leaving a flourishing career. The same thing happened with Vaibhav, same thing happened with Manish. But we know that the market is lacking professionalism. The market is lacking people who can take this to a different level and create a larger economy for larger people to parallelly work together. And that's where we want. That's the whole idea of creating Alexa Partners.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Okay. So we have to end this meeting today. If you have any further questions, you are open to join tomorrow again at 4:30. We have one more session tomorrow. You want to be part of that session, please feel free to join us, and we can take further questions there.
Just one suggestion here. Everyone, see, basically we have a hope. I think everyone is registered on LinkedIn and using Telegrams and other things. Telegram, very soon we are going to broadcast our blogs. We already started that on LinkedIn. We will, Sachin, can you, we will share you right away, or you can search on your LinkedIn page and you can follow us on LinkedIn page called Alexa Partner. You can follow that because blogs are now releasing. And if any one of you also wants to write something, want to give, like just now Nishit has given a good, opportunity, availability and challenges on MSME, we can publish that also under your name, because we are generating more followers and by virtue of the corporate relations. So this is the page basically. You can just, go into your LinkedIn page and you can follow this page. So we are every day, there is a blog and knowledge sharing is happening. so that you can also use this knowledge to, you know, educate your client or set up their processes, policies. So lot of knowledge is in pipeline, which will get released every day or every week. So that will help you. So just try to, you know, subscribe for this so that you will get this notification. Besides that, we have a Telegram channel also, so that basically you'll get the real time, and we'll have a more close coordination using Telegram channel. So we will share that link as well. Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay,
And
guys.
that will
Thank you very
happen.
much.
Yes.
Thank
Okay.
you so much, and
Thank
have
you
a
very
nice
much.
day. And we are looking for our relationship, you know, a longer relationship and professional relationship with all of you.
Thank you.
you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.